Hello everyone. The most important information I would like to share with you here. The Osmania University has released a circular yesterday stating that the reopening of all UG and PG and professional colleges from 1st February 2021 for the academic year 2020 and 21. So this is the most latest update released by university. So university is planning to start the classes from 1st February 2021 for all UG, PG and professional colleges. So commencement of physical classes for all years and all programs will take place, that is starts from 1st February 2021. And the most significant here is duly followed by COVID-19 pandemic SOP guidelines issued by UGC New Delhi. So all the COVID-19 pandemic SOPs and guidelines must be followed by the colleges and students even for attending the sessions. So further information is, so important guidelines which are given in the circular itself, stating that, so the first one is obtaining undertaking, in the sense students or parents must sign an undertaking stating that the student is having negative COVID-19 report, as well as they must follow the guidelines prescribed by the government of Telangana as well as Ministry of Home Affairs, Union Government, and the undertaking should supported with a medical certificate in prescribed format. So I think this medical certificate here refers to might be the negative report of COVID-19, right? So that might be the university intended to tell that the medical report, it refers to COVID-19 negative report, must be submitted along with the undertaking. So the parents and our students should supposed to give an undertaking stating that they have negative COVID-19 report, as well as they will strictly follow all the rules and regulations levied by the state government of Telangana, Union Government, Ministry of Home Affairs, and all the rules and regulations of COVID-19 pandemic will be followed. At the same time, the most significant here is the minimum attendance criteria will not be, it is not required for the academic year 2020-21 minimum attendance criteria is not needed, not required for the students. And the third one is the maximum capacity should be 50% of the classroom, in the sense 50% students must be allowed to attend the classes at one session, right? So not 100%, on rotational basis. So these classes should be conducted on a rotational basis. So this provision is to keep the social distancing, that is physical distancing, right? 2 meters distancing. So these are the most significant what we call rules which were provided in the circular issued by the university. So these are the things that I would like to share with you, right? So dear students, be prepared and take this decision of the university as well as the government in a positive way, and try to attend the classes and maintain all the what we call rules and regulations of the university as well as the government of Telangana regarding COVID-19 norms, and follow the procedures and attend the classes and learn the subject, right? So for further and more information, you can log on to the university website homepage. There you will find latest news, announcement and circulars. There you will find this circulars, this circular, right? So I have here inserted the circular in the video itself. The same circular is issued by the university. From this we have taken out the important guidelines which were issued by the university, right? So even I will provide the link of this circular in the description box. From there you can download the link even, right? Thank you very much for watching my video and wish you all the best and for your upcoming physical classes. Right? Do subscribe my channel for latest news and accounting, finance and other subject related videos. This channel objective is to provide latest updates besides giving good quality content for the students to prepare well for the examinations. Thank you very much.